had a job come up where they asked about, hey, we have these installed. How do we remove them? And one of the things that happened was it wasn't our product. So I was like, it should be easily removable. And it was a larger one, and it wasn't a 5-part system. So we had the 3-part system on the left. You unscrew it, you push the nut back in, and then you're going to use a pry bar to pry it out. On the right hand side, you're basically doing the same thing, but when you remove that, the collar comes to, and then you're just going to punch that thing in, and it falls inside the tube or falls inside whatever it is. So, these are not reusable. But using this method, we have found out that you're not damaging the holes. So when you want to remove something, you take it apart, you can put a new one in and redo it if you need to do something different or for whatever reason. In this case that I had, they were dismantling something. It called for the Hollo-Bolt on the drawings, but someone made a substitute and it didn't work. So